Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about how to install flexhome script step by step. As you can see guys, this is a great platform that you can use for sale, rent and project for real estate. And as you can see guys, this script exists in Vato market in Cuscanio. But I just found but the price, as you can see guys, is $59. So I'm going to I see. So as you can see guys, I just found this website AutoScript Hub that is you can find the Flex Home just right here. Flex Home, I'm sorry, Flex Home. It's a Flex Home, yeah, that's it. Just click on that, search now, and you will find the listing. Click on that. So from here we're gonna just pay $9, and you can pay $9 and you will get the script. It's the latest version. So just click buy now. All right, then you will just proceed with checkout, so you can pay with PayPal. All right, so after paying and downloading the script, okay, so you will have the same script as it exists on Canyon. It's the same script. All right, and it's the latest version. So after that we are going, this is my domain name. I just installed it. I just downloaded the script from AutoScript Hub. Then I try to install it. So I will explain how to do it step by step using Hostinger. Okay, so this is my domain name. So as you can see guys, this is, I'm gonna just refresh to see guys the platform. As you can see guys, so let me just go to the like this is the admin. All right, so if you want, for example, to customize everything, so you can just customize the real estate properties, projects, etc. As you can see, we have pages, blogs, we have payments, we have careers, we have consults, ads, announcements, comments. So you can like manage whatever you want here. So this is our platform. So guys, we are going to start installing the Flex Home inside Hostinger. Okay. By the way, if you don't have a hosting or a domain name, so I will let like a link below. So you're gonna try to like to have a great discount of 25% discount. So you can just buy a domain name and try to install it for yourself. Okay. So let me try do like let me go to overview first. So this is my domain name. Let me try to go to file manager. Okay, so from here you can upload your zip file that you're gonna like download it from AutoScript Hub. That by the way, I will put the link below of AutoScript Hub link to Flex Home, so you can try to download it. So I'm going to public HTML. So this is the zip file. I'm gonna delete everything. So I'm gonna delete every file here. Delete. So as you can see guys, now we have this file. So this file you will download it from AutoScript Hub. Okay, after you download this file, just click on that and extract it. Click extract and write dot. Okay, so just click extract. By the way, I'm going to explain how to do all of those things without license key needed. So just click move before, click move, and okay, just select the Flex Home folder and delete it. Now what we should do is we are going to database. So I'm going to database. Let me just delete this one because I already installed all those things. So I'm gonna just give you step by step how to do that. So that's why I'm trying to delete this database. So I will try to create another database. So I will put like the name of my domain name. So like do whatever you want and put the password here that you want. Okay, I'm gonna just, this is the database. As you can see, this is the database, this is the username, and okay, this is for PHP my admin. So now what we should do that we have all folders and files inside the public HTML. So now I'm going to my domain name. This is my domain, ajitscan.com. So I'm going to this domain name, ajitscan.com. So it will take me to the installation process. So here I will let you know how to do that without license key needed. So just click let's go, configure environment. Okay, let me just try the database name. So I'm going here to my database. So I'm gonna just copy this, go into my database name, pass the same thing here as username, and here this is my password that I already like customized. Click install. Now I'm trying the first name. I will put the admin username. Let me try admin at like gmail.com. Let me try the password. Let me try, for example, admin. All right, create. The following errors occur. The password must. Okay, let me try another bean123 add. So I'm trying, yeah, bean123 add. Do it for yourself. This is just an account inside, just an admin account. Okay, do whatever you want. All right, this is the license key. So I just put whatever you want. Just do, for example, in that tool. All right, click here like and write a lot of zeros. Okay, like this. It's not meter the numbers of zero. Just write whatever you want here. Then click confirm that and click activate license. Installation is finished. Go to admin dashboard. Great. Then now flexhome is installed successfully. All right. So you can customize whatever you want. Here you can click just to view the website. All right. This is the website. So you can customize whatever you want. You can add the properties. Other agents they could just. Now I'm gonna try to log into the admin. Now this is login for agents. I'm gonna try to click for admin. This is my admin. I'm gonna just try to log out. This is the website. Just going to the website. Other agents they could just add properties. All right. So yeah. Here's it, register now, and yeah, that's it guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. By the way, I will put 3 links in the down below. I will put the link of WhatsApp that you can, if you have any problem with the server, with installation, you can contact me so I can resolve any problem that you have. At the same time, I'll put the link to the auto script hub so you can download this script. And we have the third link is for getting the discount from Hostinger, so you can create an account on Hostinger so you can get hosting and a domain name. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and have a good luck.